Anthropic will, quote, probably be its last investment there too, also ahead of an expected IPO. The era of NVIDIA writing these massive checks to the AI labs is its supplies may be coming to an end and the public markets are about to take over. Scott.
All right, Christina, thanks. We'll see you in a little bit. It's Christina Partsinevelos. For more, let's bring in Kate Rooney for what all of this means for OpenAI and for Anthropic, for that matter. What do we take from Jensen's comments?
Scott, I think what Christina mentioned about the IPOs is key here. So these companies going public, I have heard from investors and sources leading up to that funding round, as we sort of got the drip of news, that it was the last dance for these companies before they do go public. So when Jensen Huang says, you know, it's our last opportunity, it is his last opportunity. It's a lot of investors' last opportunity. And that's why you saw so much demand for some of these companies in private markets, because it was marketed that way. And it was sort of your last chance to get in at these private valuations. There's also a question this late in the game, if that's a good investment, depending on where they end up in an IPO. But I think that's some of the context that's really important here. That $100 billion that we saw last year came with a ton of caveats, too. So it was really tied up in certain compute targets. So they needed to deploy a certain amount of gigawatts. What Christina said, too, getting it pulled forward in a $30 billion lump sum, according to the companies, made more sense, because if you're public in a year, that's going to take multiple years to drag out. So the company is sort of framing this as this was actually a smoother way to just get more capital quicker and really fulfill some of the needs they need